This flatworm looks like an alien. There must be a spring under this dry tree. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments.
I have never in my life seen anything like this.
Looks like a great reason to buy a garage.
Oh my god, it's raining trees.
It's like literally a hailstorm.
Are we okay? Is there anything above us?
I don't know. I told you a piece of my ceiling came out.
Oh my god.
Look at the...
Oh my god.
Oh my god, and then I forgot. Yeah. Look at this.
We might want to stand back a little bit from the window. Because these are getting pretty big. Oh, these are beyond baseball size.
This is insane. You should see the pool.
Hiding underwater during an earthquake isn't the best plan.
Danger! Holy crap!
एक मिनट रुक जा यहीं पे रुक जाना यहीं पे अरे नहीं वो आगे मत जाना अम्ब्रेला नहीं है ना वो बादल नहीं वो पानी का ये है पानी है वो पानी का ये है हाँ
On the right, you can see the 300-meter Key Rem waterfall, which, during strong winds, turns this stretch of road into a scene from an apocalyptic movie.
भैया नहीं जाना है ना हाँ ठीक है हाँ वाइपर चलाइए वो चलेगा वाइपर तरफ गई पहाड़ी है भी
Even from a distance, that tornado looks pretty ominous.
Yeah. I feel bad for Miss Williams now.
It should be north of her place.
Yeah, that's still pretty close.
Baby boys. There she goes. There she goes. Holy shit, this is the future. Oh my god, the wave. Almost right. She's coming. The Kraken. The glory. Holy shit. You were not kidding that these things come underneath. You were not kidding, my guy. Oh, this is amazing.
Here's what's really hiding beneath the tip of the iceberg. I'm curious if people in the area where these guys live ever pick up fish from supermarkets. It turns out, some turtles can be soft, and they sleep by burying themselves in mud. This is the Hunga volcano, and its eruption was so powerful that the shockwave was felt in 11 nearby countries. An earthquake measuring 7.5 on the Richter scale tears through asphalt like it's a soaked paper towel.
Look at that damn wind, cuz. Woo!
It's hard to believe this liner weighs 230,000 tons when the wind pushes it around so effortlessly.
20 foot, 10 foot. Oh! Oh! Kissing it, kissing it. Oh! Connection, baby.
Whoa. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. This is a massive job.
Being right by the water isn't necessarily a good thing on all beaches.
Yes.
Dat was enorm dicht.
Waar was dat? Dat was hier, hè? Mensen lopen hier komen weg. Dat was, kijk eens hier. Kijk eens. Het huis.
我操，这边日落，然后这边你看是彩云，然后刚下过雨还有彩虹，哇，闪电！
This guy hit the jackpot. 2 sunsets, a rainbow, and lightning. These guys were incredibly lucky.
哇塞！
Per il sedimento sta muovendo tutto. Tutto adesso parte. Sta partendo. Sta partendo. sta partendo. Partendo tutto, questo arriva dalla strada.
Their trailer was this close to following the trees. Did you know in Dubai, cars are sold without heaters? Though the avalanche moves slowly, it can wipe out everything in its path.
Kahve bitmiş lan.
They call this crater the door to hell, and it seems like it's wide open. Fun fact, some cities are building mud flow channels to control this powerful force of nature. Or it's gonna be like this. Why do men tend to have shorter life expectancy? Because they think it's a good idea to film landslides on their phones.
Spingere, cavalli. Spingere. Guarda che là c'è l'acqua sotto. Fiume.
This pal filmed until the very end. Well done. No, these aren't toy houses. This is the coastline in Canada after an ice storm. If I were those guys, I wouldn't stand so close. When lightning strikes, trees can get burned from the inside out. In Taiwan, you can see a unique phenomenon: a mud volcano that spits out methane. This pal filmed Earth breathing. Can you imagine what'll happen when Earth sneezes? As soon as the residents of the village evacuated, it was immediately washed away. So, what's wrong with those trees?
Alguém já viu isso, um tal da Itaúba? Essa aqui não sei não, mas dá cara que é oca, hein?
You're here. Do it again.
There's so much electricity in the air that you can actually charge your phone. It's surprising, but that's exactly how reindeer in the north keep warm. A river of fish in the desert. Now you've seen it all.
Oh putain, oh putain.
This is how a rock slide looks from above and from below. The snapped electrical wires add a special epic vibe to this tornado. This rare phenomenon is known as a skyquake. That's it, end of the road. In the desert, one thing you definitely wouldn't expect to see is an ice avalanche.
I have never witnessed something this insane. It was honestly so sad. Yes, I know they are not jellyfish. They are Velella. I think that's how you say it. But honestly, does anyone know why so many?
Wow! That lightning broke the roof into pieces! This bridge is barely hanging on. The volcano is fully charged.
Oh my god!
This pal had no faith in his umbrella. I've always wanted to see a sandstorm from the inside, but these guys aren't thrilled about this idea.
He didn't find anything.
The showdown of the year, wind versus trees.
That's so cool.
People deliberately set fire to methane emissions to avoid destructive consequences. This store closed in Portugal and reopened in Norway.
Miren el techo arriba. Eso es lo que tenemos arriba.
Nunca había visto el cielo así.
Nunca vi el cielo.
The sky seems like a soft mattress.
Dios mío. Que no baje.
Yo, mate.
Looks like the car's taken someone else's parking spot. It's a bit messy, but it sure looks impressive. Behold, the world's dirtiest waterfall.
Yeah.
It's not a good idea to go tubing in this river. This hail isn't just falling, it's hunting. During mating season, the coastal areas turn black due to the large number of seals.